Chapter 4, The Measures for Home Buyers. See, 1.5 to 2 lakh interest dedication. Enhancement in deduction for interest on housing loan from 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. 1.5 lakhs plus deduction 1st April 2019 to 31st April 2021. Rupees 1.5 lakhs additional deduction on the home loan interest for home loans availed from 1st April 2019 up to 31st March 2021 on affordable houses up to 45 lakh rupees. Section and OC. Section 80 crore. Section 80C 1 to 1.5 lakh deduction. Increase in deduction limit for investments under the Section 80C from the 1 lakh rupee to the 1.5 lakh rupee. 3 plus 3 month moratorium 1st March 2020 to 31st August 2020. Moratorium of 6, that is 3 plus 3 months, to home buyers, developers and other borrowers on payment of current dues falling between 1st March 2020 to 31st August 2020. 2 crore exemption for capital gain tax reduction in holding period for computing long-term capital gains from transfer of immovable property from 3 years to 2 years. Exemption on capital gain has been extended for 2 houses and up to 2 crore rupees. Income tax 1 to 2 years relief. Income tax relief on notional rent from unsold housing stock extended from 1 year to 2 years. No tax liability 20% lower. No tax liability on either buyer or builder under Section 56 of 266 and in 2 in 10 or Section 43CA of the Income Tax Act if the transaction value of property is up to 20% lower than the circle rate. 2 houses exemption. Exemption of national rental income from vacant house has been extended to 2 houses. TDS threshold 1.8 to 2.4 lakh deduction. TDS threshold for deduction of tax on rent has been increased from 1.8 lakh to the 2.4 lakh rupees. HBA House Building Advance reduction in the rate of interest on house building advance HBA from 8.5% to 7.9% with maximum amount increased to 7.5 lakhs to the 25 lakhs. House cost ceiling increased from the 30 lakhs rupees to the 1.25 crore. Thank you.